Okay, magic square. After solving each linear equation, sum up the rows and columns. They should equal the same magic number. Well, we got variables on one side already, so the variable term's already isolated. Okay, the variable's already isolated, so we're going to add 4. So what undoes division? Well, multiplication. That way you get 2 over 2x, which is 1. See, if you get 1x, 1 times x, that's just x. 1 times 2. Okay, this one's got a little bit of work we have to start with. This is why I'm afraid to go over variables on both sides, is I'll see kids do this. Don't do this, okay? Okay, the number one thing I see kids do is this. As soon as I teach variables on both sides, I get that. Okay, remember why I make you draw the river. Is if you see a plus x here, you'd have to see so we would need 2 plus x's, which that doesn't really help get the variable alone. It actually adds variables to this side, so don't do that. They're on the same side together. You got to combine them. So combine like terms. Okay, once you get it to one variable term and one number term, now you can solve it. What undoes multiplying, dividing? Okay, we've got variables on both sides. So this one's different than this one. 4x and minus x are on the same side. 3x and 2x are on different sides. So we need to relocate all the x's to one side, or we need to relocate all x's to one side. So I'm going to go minus 2x, which that gives you 0. Plus 22, you just put 22. And then 3x minus 2x, it's already isolated. Okay, so 22 plus 2 plus 3. Let's see, that'd be 24, 27, plus negative 9, 18. Okay, we have to do the distributive property first. 4 times x, 4x. 4 times negative 2, negative 8. How do you get rid of minus 8? Well, or a negative 8, you add 8. Okay, we've already got the variable. We got to relocate that minus 17 with plus 17 because we're trying to get that x all by itself. Okay, we've got negative 2 times x. The only way to undo multiplying by negative 2 is dividing by negative 2. So now we got negative 8. Okay, we got x minus 8. We did that first. We took an unknown value, we subtracted 8, Then we divide it by 4 to get 3. So what undoes division, multiplication? What did that do over here? 4 divided by 4 is 1. So you have that first thing you did to the variable. Okay, so if I do 17 minus 15, that's 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Did I do something wrong? Oh, I added 5. Okay, so let's see, 5, 12, yeah, 6. What undoes division, multiplication? Okay, when I do 3 divided by 3, I get 1. So x equals 6. $20 plus negative 15 is 5, plus 7 plus 6. 18. There's that magic number. Okay, this one we've got a lot of work to do. Okay, so we're going to be combining because they're on the same side. Okay, me personally, there's 2 terms over here and there's 1 term over here. I don't like eliminating terms from a side completely. Okay, we've got variables on both sides, so we need to relocate them all to one side. So we need a 0 sitting where 3x is. We don't want to divide by 3 because the x would stay. What gets rid of minus 8 plus 8? So we're at 16. What undoes division, multiplication? Now what did that do exactly? 7 divided by 7 is 1. See, if I add those two, I get 40 minus 3 is 37. That means how many negative x's are there? Well, there's 1 negative x. Okay, the negative 19 and 19 cancel. Then 21 plus negative 3, 18. Okay, we got some work to do on this side. So negative times negative, that's a positive. Now it's time to get x all by itself. It's going to be a pretty big negative. Negative 66, 16, 31, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay, what's the only way to get rid of multiplying by negative 6? Dividing by negative 6. Okay, here we've got 2 times x divided by 3, so we're going to get rid of that division. 3 divided by 3 is 1. What undoes multiplying by 2, dividing by 2? Let's see if this matched up. We got 11 plus 3 plus 7 minus 3. That's 18 as well. Let's see. See, I got 4 there. 16 plus 2, 18. Okay, here we got a lot of work. Okay, we got to distribute on both sides. Negative times positive, negative. Okay, how do I get rid of a negative variable? Well, it doesn't matter which side you relocate the variables. Me, I always go for the lowest one. Negative 7 is actually lower than negative 4. On the number line, it's further from 0. So negative 7 is smaller. Let's see, what would that be? Negative 14. So we got 21 plus 20 minus 14 minus 9. 41 minus 23. It's 18. That's correct. Okay. So we want to combine all like terms. So if they're on the same side, put them together. So we got negative 19 plus 9 plus 22 plus 6, 10 plus negative 10 plus 28 be 18. Let's put 11 and 9 together first. So this is 20 plus 12 minus 14. 32 minus 14, 18.